I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer your ESIM to a new Android device on Virgin, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before activation, use the ESIM link in the description to open the ESIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Back up your current ESIM. Before transferring, back up your current ESIM settings. Go to your current device's settings and find the ESIM management section. Step 3. Request a new ESIM. Contact Virgin's customer service or use their app to request a new ESIM for your new device. They may send you a QR code via email. Step 4. Scan the QR code. On your new Android device, go to Settings, then Network and Internet and select that mobile plan. Use the camera to scan the QR code you received. Step 5. Activate your ESIM. Once the QR code is scanned, follow the prompts to activate your ESIM. You might need to restart your device to complete the process. If you run into issues, double check that you're connected to Wi-Fi during the activation process. Good luck with your new device.